What's up, friends? So today I have for you this Kylie Jenner inspired makeup look. This was from her Coco collection. Yeah, such a stunning color. Hello. Anyway, so this is one of the shades that comes in the 4-piece. It is this beautiful bright orange. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. So I went ahead and primed my eyes. I'm using MAC Painterly Paint Pot. That's my favorite eye base ever. So yeah, let's move on to the eyes. This palette I'm picking up is the I Want It All palette by Kylie Cosmetics. The first shade I'm going to dip into is called Buttercream Frosting. I will be picking up this very nice brown color right here in the shade 1942, and I'm just going to buff that into my crease. Next, picking up my BH Cosmetics Ultimate Neutrals Shadow Palette. I'm picking up this brown shade right here, and this is just going to help bring some warmth to the eye. So in the pictures, Kylie definitely has a small little wing. So I'm going to go ahead and pick up this color right here. It's just a nice rich chocolate brown. And I'm going to create a winged eyeliner with that. Next, I'm going to pick up this bronzy shade right here. I'm just going to press that on my lid. So in the picture, she has a lot of bronziness going on and some highlighter. So we're going to go ahead and jump into that. The first shade I'm going to go into is going to be Suede by Kat Von D. Next bronzer I'm going to be going in with is Hoola Bronzer by Benefit. So of course I'm going to be picking out my favorite blush, which is the Styled by Harush by Tarte. And the second blush I'm going to be going in with is going to be Cheers from the I Want It All palette. And then I'm going to go ahead and just clean up my contour. So next, she's wearing this beautiful orange lipstick, the Coco collection by Kylie. This one came with 3 other liquid lipsticks, well, no, 2 other liquid lipsticks and a gloss. And this is one of my favorite lipsticks of all time. If I'm not wearing a nude, I'm definitely wearing an orange or a red. So, like I said, it's just this beautiful bright orange. So we're just gonna go straight on the lips with that. So now that we got this beautiful orange color on, we definitely need some lashes. So I'm gonna pop on some lashes and I will be right back. All right, before I forget, she does have her bottom lash line smoked out just a little bit. So I'm gonna dip into those brown shades we used on the lid and smoke them out under my eye. She also has some mascara on her bottom lashes. I'm going to pop some on. I am going to pick up some Fix Plus from MAC. Spray my face. let it dry just a little bit. And of course, I'm going to be dipping into my all-time favorite highlighter, the Anastasia by Amrezy. And since in the picture she has black hair and I don't have black hair anymore, I just popped on a wig and that was that. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you liked this tutorial.